basically, if you're a beginner, 2 to 3 times, maximum of 4 times a week. Nag-a-adapt pa lang yung body mo eh. So, kapag nag-run ka first time, basically magkakaroon ka ng DOMS eh. DOMS is the delayed onset muscle soreness, or sometimes during the run. Ibig sabihin, meron kang acute muscle soreness, meaning on the spot, during your exercise, nagkakaroon ka ng muscle pain. Lagi mong tatandaan na i-develop mo yung base training, meaning kailangan mong meron kang foundation. Ito yung improve muna yung endurance para pag nag-increase ka na ng intensity, makakasurvive ka. Lagi kong sinasabi na kapag nag-compete ka na walang training, madadala ka eh, kasi masakit siya eh. Especially masasama ka dun sa maraming runner, so mapapabilis yung takbo mo eh, hindi mo patient. Siyempre masasaktan ka, masakit huminga, masakit sa muscle. So basically, proper training muna. And then kapag yung first run mo, enjoy mo lang muna. Wala kang target time. Ang goal mo is to finish, kahit mag-walk, jog walk ka, okay lang 'yon.